So this is the product we want to look at today. That's the product we want to look at today. You know, as somebody requests that I should just, you know, display how I dismantle this thing, and maybe I should just fix it again. Okay, that is the request. Somebody made a request. I should dismantle this and then fix it again. You know, they want to see how did I get that. How did I make that long? You know, that long one. So that is what I want to do now. This is a request video from one of my followers. I know these people, you know, they are not good in, you know, DIY, like do something yourself, like dismantle and rearrange things. So this is what I'm going to do now. It's been a while, man, you know, fixing up my studio, you know, it's been a while. Fixing up my studio, okay, for my own gym. That's why it's been a while, man, you know. Now I'm gonna dismantle this thing and I'm gonna make the long one out of this, you know. Like many of us will like using this thing in our own different ways. In our own different ways, you know. Whichever way you are using it, it's all okay. Honestly, you will get whatever good result that I am getting to. Okay, as long as what you are doing is you are lifting it and you are consistent. Okay, being consistent is the key. As you can see on that live show, you will realize that I put this product link as a link to this, you know, the shop link of this product. It's right there in case those of you that really want to get it. Yeah, a lot of you might say, okay, hey bro, it's been a long time, man. Of course, yeah, it's been a long time setting up my studio for my own gym, you know, and then going to work, mixing work with all these things. You know, it makes me like they took my day, man. I was even sick along the line, you know. I was sick for a few days along the line, so I couldn't come live. But it's not like I'm not doing my own gym. I'm still doing my gym, but coming live is what I was not able to do during that period. Yeah. It was a period of shit for me. You understand? This is why I tell you guys, you know, when you get your own hands on things that makes your body to be fit, when you are fit, honestly, sickness will run away from you when you are fit. You understand? My own case is being too busy with things, and the weather also affects my own situation. I don't like cold. I don't like cold. Here we are again with our own live show as usual. So you see this thing, you know, this dumbbell came with this thing, right? Okay. So I will make it very easy and simple. Oh yeah. But I'm not going to do too much of stress. You understand? Because even me was sick for a few days. I'm not yet fully recovered. So, but because of that video request I saw, it's not cool when you as a follower, you request a video and I'm sleeping on my own sick bed, like never show you nothing. doesn't make sense, my friend. I just love my fans, you know. I love my fans, you know. When you request, I do what you say. Now let us fix it. See, this is something that you know, if you can just imagine what I am doing here. Okay, this thing is very easy. Okay, look, it's just like fixing some kind of bolts together, right? Yeah, fixing bolts. If you know how to fix bolts, tying the bolt, you know, then this one will not be a problem to you. Look, this is how I got the long version of this dumbbell. Okay, that is it. So I'm doing this for you. Simple in the easy way. It's gonna be easy for you to understand or even imagine. Just imagine. Okay? Good. Let's unpack it. Let's unpack it, my friend. Let's unpack it, my friend. That's why I said you have to gym. You wanna be in good health, huh? You have to gym. If you like, this one will turn your own house into a gym, a mini gym. Your house, your room, it will turn it into a mini gym. That room you are not using, this one will turn it into a mini gym. If you like, you can turn the whole of your house into a gym. That's good. Now, I want to use because I'm not gonna use everything, okay? I will not use all these things. Yeah, I just need